Welcome to your 8-minute core for back relief. These movements stabilize your spine from the inside out. Up first, kneeling cat-cow to mobilize your spine. Roll through slowly, one vertebrae at a time. Each wave rehydrates your spinal discs, the foundation of a younger, more resilient back. Next, hovering bird dog to activate deep spinal stabilizers. Hover your knees just off the mat and reach long through opposite hand and foot. This anti-rotation control teaches your core to protect you in real life. Now, bird dog crunch for coordinated core compression. Extend fully, then draw elbow to knee beneath you, slow and intentional. This cross patterning restores symmetry through your spine. Shifting to side plank thread, right side. Lift through your bottom waist, thread your arm beneath you, then open through the chest. This rotation trains your obliques to resist strain, not surrender to it. Same move, left side. Press the ground away, let the thread and open sequence wring out tension across your rib cage and lower back. Into kneeling, lean back twist, core meets hip control. Lean with a straight line from knees to crown. Twist gently without losing height. This eccentric loading wakes up your deep front chain. to hovering cat-cow, now with resistance. Knees hover an inch above the mat. Flow through cat-cow without collapsing. Even small movement under tension rebuilds spinal endurance. Seated knee drives, alternating legs. Lift chest tall as you draw knee to chest. Don't swing, compress with control. This is core flexion without spinal strain. Final move, tabletop crunches for frontline support. Press your lower back into the mat. Exhale as you curl. Small range, hip precision. This is stability, not speed. Pain fades when strength returns. Subscribe and meet me back here tomorrow.